Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still me, Ememiya. Previously, on the last video I made, I encouraged a whole lot of traders. As in, I was surprised in the turnout, on my WhatsApp group. Like, people joined and they felt like family. From my previous video, they really felt like family. And I don't know what you're waiting for. If you've not joined that WhatsApp group, I will urge you to check on the description. You will see the link to join that WhatsApp group, because that group would actually change the way you trade. I'm gonna expose a whole lot of secrets which the professionals don't tell you in the market. I'll expose it there in that WhatsApp group. We've started our training there in the WhatsApp group, and that group is free to join. You're not paying anything. Just join the WhatsApp group and learn to trade better, learn to analyze better. This video is going to be very exciting. Please stay true till the end of this video. Watch this video to the end. You're going to learn a lot. Today we are talking about key levels in the forex market and how to trade them. Is the same thing like saying how to do a multi-time frame analysis, maybe from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame, and you know levels that you can trade from. So that is what I'm going to take us on today, key levels in the forex market, and you will not want to miss this video. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon, so that anytime I post this video, YouTube is going to recommend it to you and you watch it, because I'm going to be posting a whole lot of ideas here. I'm going to help a whole lot of traders here. I don't need your money, I don't need anything, but I'm going to provide this knowledge to you, and it's left for you to act on it. You don't just watch the video, but you act on it. So subscribe to this channel if you've not yet subscribed, and watch this video to the very end. I want to simplify forex for you guys. No more tedious and difficult setups. I just want to simplify key areas and zones you need to focus on in the market, and this does not really affect the strategy you use. So without talking too much and wasting too much time, let's dive right into the chart. So now, what are key levels in the market? That's the first question. What are key levels in the market, or key zones in the market? Now, key levels in the market are strong levels that moves price or price reacts to in the market. That is key levels in the market. Strong levels that moves price or price reacts to. And that's what the professional traders do. They mark out their key levels and then they trade from there. If they can't find anything there, they wait patiently. So I'm gonna be drawing key levels here. It's as if it's the same thing like doing multiple time frame analysis. Sorry, you guys might not really see my face, because when I'm doing classes like this, I don't really put my face. It's only when I want to talk to you guys and motivate and encourage, that's when I put my face. I do face recording. So now I'm gonna show you guys. This video is not gonna take too long, because I just want to make it brief and show you guys how to draw and spot key levels in the market. Then on Wednesday, which is tomorrow, I'm gonna be having a Zoom meeting with the group members and explain more on key levels and how to spot them on the lower time frame after drawing on the higher time frame. In this video, I might not really waste much time to explain too much. That's why I'm urging you to join that WhatsApp group. Join that WhatsApp group, so that when we are having that Zoom meeting tomorrow, Wednesday, by 9 p.m., you can ask as much question as you wish, and I'm gonna answer, and then you can learn from there. Because actually, you see what I'm doing right now, I want to see a scenario whereby I bring out successful traders with me, traders that will become professionals. So that's why I'm urging you to join that WhatsApp group. Check the link in the description and then join that WhatsApp group. So now let me draw key levels in the market. I want to show you how to draw key levels in the market. Now, key levels are strong levels or areas where price reacts to in the market. So now, for example, now this chart, now this is a monthly chart, and that's how I draw my key levels. I don't mark up my charts too much. I just go to the monthly, draw my key levels, and then switch down to the lower time frames, and then wait for price to give me a confirmation, and then I take my trade. So first of all, I bring out my horizontal line, and then I draw my first key level here. My first key level is the breakup structure of this particular move. Now price moved here and broke structure here. That is my first key level. My second key level is this low. This is my second key level, the low that led to the breakup structure of this high here. Now look at what price did here in this our key level. After breaking a structure here, it came down back. Now the next key level I'll be looking at is the order block or change of character, in which you guys all know. Order block is almost similar to change of character, because if you zoom the lower time frame, you're gonna see a change of character, and then you still see an order block there. But the higher time frame order block is a change of character in the lower time frame. So most times don't allow English to confuse you in Forex, because most of these things, they mean the same thing. So now this is another area that can move price. This area here, which you're seeing here, this zone is another zone that can move price. It's gonna play out like a support zone. Even if I want to take it from here, it's still the same thing, but I would prefer to take it at the close of this candlestick. Now these are zones that I'm marking out. Those are strong zones that moves price. Then this is another zone, my change of character. This is still a change of character here. Because after price broke this structure here, it came down, retested this low, tried to retest this high, and then failed, and then broke out. When it broke out, this place was the last low that price broke out, so it became a change of character. So we can label this place as a change of character. I'm just simplifying this thing so that you don't do too much analysis, and then at the end you end up losing. Let's change this color to white. Text color has to be white. Then this is my break of structure in the higher time frame, BOS. So this is my break of structure in the monthly. We'll also change this to white. So now this is my low. This is my low. This is my lower low. So now this also is my change of character towards the downside. I'm just trying to simplify everything to you guys. So now, after marking out these structures, now I'm done marking out my my zones in the higher time frame. Now what I can do is to zoom in to the lower time frame and take trades, monitor the movement of the market. Now what did the market do here? This change of character can also be measured as a break of structure. If you don't call it a change of character, you can also call it a break of structure. But I choose to call it a change of character because of this zone here. But I can also call it a break of structure because price broke out here from this and retested it, but it's still a change of character because it changed the movement of price from going up downward. And then this is another break of structure. This one, we can mark this one out in a lower time frame. So now let's zoom into like the weekly. So now this is our area of focus. Now after drawing out this zone, we know that price has to play around this place before either proceeding downward or probably breaking above. So now it retested the change of character here after the failure to create a new high. It retested the change of character and then came down, went back and retested that. So I would have targeted this place to take trade down to this other change of character, and I will make a whole lot of profit. So trading is not difficult. Just mark out your zones. You're done. Now after price broke structure here, this is also a break of structure. This is a very good solid break of structure. Now I would have targeted this high to sell when price retested this. I would have still sold down to this place because this is a break of structure. Let me write it there. BOS, that is a break of structure. I'm labeling on the weekly time frame. So now what happened here? This is my break of structure. I'm just showing you guys how to simplify trading. There are core things you need: your high and your low, your break of structure, your change of character. I think those are the major things you need in order to simplify this chart. So now what happened here? Now this is what happened here. After price broke this structure, came up here and retested this place, came down and failed to break below this structure here, because we won't call this a break of structure. And then this is our change of character. It's a big zone. That's a wide zone because I'm zooming into the weekly time frame. Now look at what price do. Now price came, retested this place. This is a change of character. This place you're seeing here is also a change of character inwardly. We have an external move and an internal move. Now internally, this is a change of character. That's why you see the market rejects here at this point. This is an internal change of character, and then after that it came down, give us some movement, and then came down again to test this low, and now still failed to break this low. So at this point I expect the market to go back to clear the liquidity above this change of character and probably stopping it, but that will be too far, and we are not looking to trade that kind of setup on the on the monthly time frame. We are looking to trade on a lower time frame, but I'm showing you how to simplify your chart. So let me delete this out and let's focus on the lower time frame. So now we have identified price movement. Now look at what happened. We have support levels here and also a liquidity. This is a liquidity zone. Liquidity is building up here. So price tested here, rejected, found support here, found support here. Let me bring this up so you can see. So now this was a support level. I'm coming. So now this was a support level for price. So when price came down, after breaking that structure, it found support here at the same level here, and went back up, came down again, and still found support at the same level, still found support again here. So this proves to us that this zone here is a very strong low. It's a very strong low, a very strong support zone. So there's a very big probability that price might not quickly break out from this zone, because it's a strong support zone that has been retested multiple times, triple. It has been retested 4 times. So it is becoming a very strong support zone, and now we are looking to trade at this zone. So right now we have identified our higher time frame movement. Currently now we will be looking to buy the market, because the market has rejected here multiple times. So anything you do on the lower time frame, look to buy. You look to buy, because this market has rejected here several times. Look to buy towards this high, because these are internal breakup structures. I'm coming to that, and these are also support zones. So now I'm zooming into the lower time frame so that we'll see what is happening here. Like I said, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm gonna try and summarize everything. So now look at what happened. I want to simplify you. Now I'm not even marking up anything in this chart apart from those things. So now look at, this is that zone, this is that zone. Now this was where price, after price broke structure, it came down. You remember what I said, our internal change of character here. That was where price retested there. Then forget about these ones. These ones are just like, this is also a change of character. That's why you see price rejected here. We have change of characters everywhere. That's how you'll be able to work with these key levels. Now this is another change of character internally here. price retested the first one, came back, retested this one internally, then went back to this high, then rejected, came down, do its own thing by retesting a change of price. Must always retest the change of character, retest the minor change of character here, and went back up and did its own thing, and then finally break structure internally here. This is not an external break of structure, it's an internal break of structure, and that is how that's where we'll be looking to trade. So price broke an internal structure here, and then after breaking that structure, let me write it BOS. After breaking that structure, price went back and retested that zone, came down here and fell to create a new lower low, and instead it bought, and then this is a change of character, and then got rejected at this change of character, then came back to this break of structure here that was retested here, this support, this resistance zone that has now turned to support. It came down here, and now this resistance zone became a support level, and then at this point here, if I draw this, it is still a very nice support zone for the market. So if I want to take trade now, I'll be looking to buy this trade to this point here. First of all, why will I buy it to this point? Because this place has been retested, this change of character has been retested. Okay, this place has been retested, and then already in the monthly time frame we have a whole lot of support levels here. So whatsoever is going on here, I'm gonna look for buy. And if I bring out my trend line and draw it down, you will see that price has broken the trend line and then found support on the trend line. So now if I want to trade this whole place here, I'm simplifying it to, this is a support level, this was the low, this is a break of structure, this is it here, and then this low retested this break of structure here, then came back and then created a new high, retesting this change of character. Now it comes back to find support here, because this place also is a break of structure in the right hand side. This is in the left hand side, this is in the right hand side, which gives price the momentum, to buy upward. So now at this point, I'm looking to trade here, so I might be buying my trade from here, taking profit here to be at the safe side. But I know price would definitely clear the liquidity here, because this place has already been mitigated. You can call this place a breaker block, some people call it a breaker block. So price would intentionally get to this level, and most times it might bypass that level, because there's a whole lot of support here down here, so it might bypass and get to the higher time frame zone like I showed you guys. So now as I'm drawing out this my order block, as I'm drawing out this my trend line, can just in order to be able to zoom down to the lower time frame and know what I'm doing, I can just bring out this my horizontal trend line and then draw out a break of structure again in the daily time frame. This is also a break of structure on the market retested. Now look at what happened here. If I zoom down to the 4 hours, you see, look at how I'm simplifying this chart. I'm not drawing too much, just my line. Now look at what happened here. This was a break of structure also. Price came and retested this zone, but it initially retested the last change of character here, which is this zone here. So it retested there. Even if I want to move, I can move it up there. Then after that, it took support here. It came back, it went up, then came back, picked support here, which price is still buying, and we are expecting price to go further up. So now if I want to take trade now, I still draw out my zone. I can mark this place out. I'm gonna be ending this video soon because I don't want it to be too long. So I can mark this place out and look for entry around this zone. Now look at what price is doing. Price has retested this high, and then in some scenarios, there are scenarios whereby as long as price has a zone it needs to mitigate above or clear liquidity above, it might not really come down to because this is a break of structure. So retesting this high, price might not really come down to retest this low. because it needs to clear the liquidities here. So price might just move impulsively above. So this video, if I want to go this way, this video is gonna be very long and extremely long. So now if I want to take trade now, this is the daily time frame. I can just zoom to the 4 hours to see levels where I can take my trade. So zooming down to the 4 hours, now look at, this is my break of structure. Price came, retested this place and retested the change of character here. I tell you, change of character is very important in key zone identification, because price would always react to those places. And this is my break of structure here also, and this was my break of structure to the left hand side, which became a support zone here, and the rest you get to know this when you join my channel. So if I want to take this trade now, this is also a break of structure. So now, since I'm looking to buy this trade, I can never sell at this point. I'm not a gambler. I trade with structure. So now, since price have retested this, I can even confidently buy from here. I can confidently take this trade from here, because I know the movement of price is up. Price will not come down again. It is very rare. It's gonna be rare before price comes down here, except market manipulation and the rest. But I can confidently zoom down to the 30 minutes, because this is the 4 hours. To see this place, we want to see this place. Zoom down to the 30 minutes. Yes, zoom down to the 30 minutes. Now see what happened here. Price came and retested this one. This is a change of character. So I can confidently zoom down to the 30 minutes and take a trade from here. Buy. My stop loss might be here, or I might decide to leave my stop loss here for safety purpose, and then target that high. Let me zoom in so that we can see it on the daily time frame where we have to take our profit. So even if I want to take that trade now, see how I simplified this trading. Not too difficult. I can just target this place. This is a change of character too. My first target, that's my first target. This is my second target, because I know price would actually clear all this liquidity. So let me put it in the 4 hours. So I can definitely target this place. Can take trade here. Very high risk to reward. And then look at, target this place or target this high. Anyhow, but this is the last level where price, after breaking structure, it came down here and then fell to break above, and then sold down. So now this is a change of character. So I can actually target it, because I know definitely price has to come here, and that's where you have this high. I know for sure that price is gonna come there. It's gonna get to this place, so I can just put my take profit here. So that is it. That is it. This is very, very easy. I can just delete these ones out so that my chart doesn't look messy. And just delete this and delete what again. I'm just drawing this so you guys see how simple it is. Normally, I would have taken this trade here from this low here. Because why would I have taken this trade here? Because of this zone. Because price came and retested this zone here, this break of structure and this zone here. So I would have just taken this trade here and then to this place, and then I'm out of the market. When the market finally breaks above this place, I'll look to enter somewhere here to this zone. So just draw your zone, simplify everything. Draw your zone, simplify everything, and trade smart. Trade smart. Please check the description below and join the WhatsApp group, because we are going to be having a live trading session on these key zones tomorrow, Wednesday, by 9 p.m. in the group. I will not like you to miss that trading session tomorrow. I'm going to go in-depthly so you understand a whole lot about these key zones and structures. See, you don't need any indicator, you don't need nothing. Simplify your chart and trade. That's all you need. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification icon so that anytime I drop new videos, you'll be notified. Please try and join that family. Join that WhatsApp group. It's a family. It will improve your analysis, your trading. You don't need to do too much. You just need to draw out zones and wait for the market. So kindly join that WhatsApp group, guys. It's gonna help you a lot. So I'm gonna stop this video here. Like I said, I don't want it too long. If I want to keep on analyzing like this, it might take a whole hour. So I'm gonna end this video here, and I'm hoping to see you in the live Zoom meeting tomorrow. So do well to join the WhatsApp group. Check the link in the description below and join the WhatsApp group. See you guys in the live WhatsApp meeting tomorrow. Please subscribe to the channel because there's a whole lot of videos I'll be making here. There's a whole lot of secret I'll be exposing so that we become very profitable in forex trading, and we don't panic when we're analyzing. Then we analyze with clarity, with simplicity. So click on the subscribe button, subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out from all this amazing stuff I have to offer to you guys. All right, guys, thank you very much, and see you guys in the group. Bye.